So the other night, my wife asked me a question. She asked if I would be able to still take photos or video using the cheapest Amazon lighting setup that you could buy. And I'm gonna find out. I'm gonna try it. Let's see if we can spend some time and getting good lighting for your videos. So there seems to be a lot more online meetings and stuff happening nowadays, and I just want to give you a quick setup idea to kind of spice up your video a little bit more. We've often seen calls or people online in meetings with very similar light to this, and it's honestly just horrible, and we need to fix that right now, and I'm going to show you how to do that real quick. Whether you're just starting out on YouTube or you have corporate meetings or you're online teaching a class, lighting is what's going to make your video look better. Now, you don't need expensive lights to make your videos pop a little bit more. Oh, Mark, you're probably using like a really expensive lighting setup. My main light that I would normally use is back there. It's not at all what I'm using. A simple $45 kit is all you need. Now, this right here is a $38 umbrella light stand combo that you can buy on Amazon. The lighting kit that I was talking about comes with, you get your little diffuser umbrella here, and then there's a light socket that has a little hole that you can slide your umbrella through and sit on your light stand, which is also included, but I'm currently using it right now. So as you can see with this light here, it is definitely a lot softer. It does look good, but it still kind of looks flat and a little bit dark. So over here I have a little white piece of foam sitting here. Bouncing light. You can see the difference right now. Light source is over here with the foam board up. So let's add a little bit more depth to our video right now. As you can see, there is some stuff in the background, but it's kind of lost and you can't really tell what's going on back there. But I'm sure everybody has some sort of a lamp that you have kicking around the house, and this I'm going to set it up back there, and just to give you a little bit of an idea as to what it would look like with some accent lights. Okay, accent light is in place. Yes, it's bouncing off some large umbrella that I have sitting back there, but you can see a lot more dimension in the room now that that's back there. I should note that for the best results when it comes to lighting up your next video, start with a black room or as dark as you can get it. That way you can adjust the light to your taste. $45 kit, whatever it is. The lighting actually looks very good. That right there is my normal light that I would use for videos, and it's sitting back there as an accent light. It's a pretty expensive accent light. Damn. Oh well. Anyway, little quick setup that you can purchase for under $50 to make your next video, Zoom call, meeting, whatever it is, just a little bit better. I hope it helps. My name is Mark, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and leave me a comment. Did this help you out at all? Is it something that you're gonna do in your next video or Zoom meeting or whatever it is that you're planning on doing? Yeah, anyway, that's it for me. I'm out. I guess we'll see you in the next video. Peace.